Hello and welcome back to another Learn Python by Example tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to continue working on our SEO program that I decided to build. Still don't know where the hell we're going with it, but I'm going to write some code now and see what we come up with. Anyhow, before we do anything, we should probably commit this program to Git. That way we are able to provide version control. Now, if you don't have Git yet, go to git-scm.com. Basically, all this is you download it, and it gives us the ability to save our projects from point to point. That way we can go back if we screw things up. Alright, so just download your version, pause the video now, and then jump back in when you're done downloading it. For you folks that have just downloaded it and or you guys that have it, we're going to initialize a Git repository. And first off, I want to see where the heck I'm at. I do not want the main.py in this file. So, let me see what the hell is going on here. We should have one more file. So we're going to add another file. We're going to call it new folder. And we are going to call it the program. How about that? We'll just call it program for now. I'll probably change that again. Let's go ahead and slide main up into that. Now go back into your terminal, cd into program. Alright, I'm going to clear my screen. ls, make sure that's the only thing that's in there. Cool. So let's go ahead and initialize our Git repository, and we do git init like this, and we'll initialize a Git repository. There we go, initialize an empty Git repository. Awesome. Now I'm going to do git add period. That will add all changes. At this point, it doesn't really know of any changes. It's just going to add our file. And then I'm going to do git commit -m, and I'm going to leave myself a message. Initial commit. There we go. So this is the start of our project. Cool. Alright, now that we got that all satisfied, let's go ahead and do some changes that I thought of earlier. First off, let's change keyword here to we're going to assign it to keyword casefold here, so I don't have to do this throughout the rest of the program. So keyword, we're going to casefold, and right here where it says if keyword.casefold, we can remove that crap. That way we don't have to type it anywhere else. Alright, alright, cool. Next thing we want to do is, we got SEO title. So we're checking the title. If the keyword's found in the title, we get a return status of found. I guess that works, right? We'll keep that as that. And then if we don't find it, it's not found. We should have some kind of test here. Let's do this. Let's do if data.title and copy this here. Hit command and then the right square bracket will move it over one. And then else statement here. We're just what this does is just checking if title even exists, if there is a title in there. If not, we're going to return a different message. We're going to do print no title found. And the reason I'm doing that is just so and we'll change this to keyword not found, something like that. Alright, we're still returning status. Let's change this instead of print. Let's do status is equal to, and get rid of that. That way now we're returning status, and we'll return that if it's not found. Cool. Alright, so what I did was some research since the last tutorial, and basically there's a few things that we need to address when we're looking through for titles. So first off, let's change this to title found, because SEO title, that could be a million things. So that should be SEO title dot or underscore found. Now we're going to create a new function. We're going to call this one define SEO title underscore stop words. Alright, and I want to put a hyphen here. Stop words. And this is going to just take one argument, and that's data. Words is equal to 0, because we need to count how many stop words are found in the title. And basically what a stop word is, you know, like I said before, I'm not an SEO expert, but it's words that the search engine won't crawl over or index or whatever they call it. So you try to avoid putting those words in the title of web pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to check to see if those words are in the title, and if they are, we're going to return a count of the words, and we'll actually return the words themselves. So list words, and we'll put that in an empty list. All right. Once again, I'm gonna let's see. We'll check if the title exists. If data.title do something. All right, and I'll just put my else statement in now. Else, and we'll just do a stop underscore words is equal to we could not find a title, something like that. Alright, in here in this if statement, we're gonna need a list of stop words. So I'm gonna go to the trusty old Google here. Google, and we'll do stop words, SEO stop words probably, SEO stop words list. That looks good. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. Stop words.text. That sounds beautiful. A whole nice little list of them for us. Copy. Slide this away. Alright. We're going to create a new file in our program. New file. We're going to call it stopwords.text. And we're going to put our stop words in there. Stopwords.text. Alright. And just paste those words in there. Wow, there's 675 of them. Imagine if we had to write that out. It would never happen. I would never build this program if I had to type that out. Anyway. Now we want to open up that file, and we're going to basically go line by line and test if those stop words are in the title. So we're going to do with open stop words.text, comma, in a string, read as F. Now we need a for loop, so for line in F. So we're going to go through, and we want to check if the word's in there, so we'll use an if statement, and we're going to have to import regex. So import REE. This allows us to work with strings or Unicode strings. So we'll do re.search and R \B, close out a string, plus line. So I'm getting line from up here. And I'm going to R strip the new line because the \n is included in our stop words here. For each one, there's a \n, alright, saying new line. So we're going to take that out because that may interfere with our matching ability. Then we're going to do the R, comma, backslash again. Then we'll do a comma data dot title dot text. And text, what text does is it's going to go into data, which is holding all our data from the URL that we searched, the page. Then it's going to go in the title tag, and then it's going to get the text in there. So the text in there would be, for example, the title of our page, and that returns it in Unicode. So that's why we did all this right here. And then we do, let's do a case fold on that, just so we don't have to deal with capitals. Whoa, where? There we go. We need to put a colon here because this is this statement. This if statement got very long. I'm sorry if you guys are having a hard time following it here, but it's if re search, and then R, and then string backslash B plus line R strip, string, and then backslash N to remove the new line tag, and then plus R string backslash B. Then we're going to get data, then the title, then the text, and then case fold, and there we go. And if that all works, we're going to do we're going to add one to Word, so we'll do plus equals 1, and then we're going to do list underscore words dot append we'll just do a line R strip backslash N. Probably should have just did that on one line, but whatever. We'll just go with it right there for now. That works. Anyhow, so we got if statement. It checks to see if any of the stop words are in the title, and if they are, we need an if statement under the with. Yeah, we're going to do if words are greater than 0, we're going to leave a message for the user. So we'll do stop words is equal to we found 2 stop words in your title. You should consider removing them. Then we're going to do format words. Yeah, words. All right. And then we're going to do an else statement down here. And you hit return. We'll do else is equal to stop words equal, and we found no stop words in the title. Good work. Anyhow, there we go. Probably don't need that. Okay. And then we got stop words down here. We could not find a title. And we probably should print this. And this takes 1. So we'll do a print SEO title stop words, and it takes 1 argument of data. Alright, looks good. Let's run it and try it. python3 main.py, and I'm just going to use http googly.com, and SEO keyword will be Google. We probably shouldn't use SEO title is not defined, because I changed this to SEO title found. We probably shouldn't use Google, by the way, because they don't have any stop words in the title of their page. We're going to master code online, and I know we have a stop word somewhere in one of our titles. I'll just go to one of these tutorial things. In there, I'm sure we'll find one that has a stop word to test this. How to, I'm on a, that should definitely work. So I'm just going to copy this URL here. Woo. Copy URL. And we'll run this again. And I'll just say Mac. The hell? I think my got it. Try it again. That's weird. Found and none. I don't know why I got hung up there. Found and none. Why are you returning none? Probably because I didn't write a return statement for this. Yep. So we're going to return stop words. There we go. Let's try it again. What is your SEO keyword, Mac? Like we found 4 stop words in your title. You should consider removing them. Alrighty, so it did work. It found 4 stop words. So what are our 4? I have no idea, because did I not return them myself? Hold on a second. Let me make this bigger. I thought we were returning that crap. Nope, we did not return them. Let's go ahead and throw them at the end of this. Just put a period and then curly braces again and stop words, and I don't know what we call them. List of words. So we'll just do comma list of list words. I don't think I used of. Let's go ahead and run that again. And keyword is Mac. It doesn't really freaking matter. Anyhow. Let's see, hang up again. What the hell? There we go. We found 4 stop words in your title. You should consider removing them. A, how, on, to. Cool. So what we did today in this tutorial is we got SEO stop words. Important things to talk about is, if you haven't watched our video on working with files, you might want to do that if you don't understand this with open and as file, as F the data is represented by F, and then F is gonna the line is gonna take the representation of each line in the file. And then we're gonna search for words. Basically, that's what I'm doing with the regex here. Is if we just put line, what am I trying to say here? If we just put keyword in line here, or not keyword, stop word. So each has, I'm sorry, confused myself. All right, so F represents all the data, and then we come down and say for line in F. So we're getting line by line. If you look at our stop words here, each one's on a new line. All right. Then we come down here and we say if re search, and we're going to say line r strip. We're going to remove the n, so each word there should be a space on each side, and then data, title, text, case fold. Is it in there? Is that stop word in there? So we're searching through the keyword in that, or we're searching for the stop word in the data, title, text. All right. If they match, we're returning a count of +1, and then we're actually going to add that word to list of words. All right. And then down here, we're going to say if words is greater than 0, then we say we found X amount of stop words in the title. You should consider removing them. Then we list out those words. And then else stop words, we found no stop words in your title. Good work. And then down here, if no title exists, we would get this returned to us, and we cannot find a title. Then we return stop words and we print them back. Now, in the next tutorial, I need a break. I actually need a nap. We're going to look at some other things, keep adding to this. So if you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just keep plugging along. I really don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just kind of seeing what I can hack together. I'm hoping it turns out to be cool, but you never know. I'll see you at the next tutorial.